Today, I'll show you how to create a range of flavors, scents, or product variants from an existing design using Sourceful. Start by clicking Create in the side navigation and selecting Variant Range, or choose Variant Range in the prompt box on the homepage. You'll be asked to begin from one of your previous designs, or you can upload a new image from your device. For this demo, I'll use the brand Bubba Booch. It's currently a wild berry flavor, and I want to see what a peach version would look like. I want the main design to stay the same, but with updates to the text, illustration, and color scheme to reflect the new flavor. I've typed in my prompt to guide this, and then I'll hit generate. After a short wait, I've got 4 variants generated. Some are closer to the original design than others, but this one looks great. It's kept all the design elements consistent while applying the changes I suggested. If you'd like to make more adjustments, click the image and then select Start Edit. To explore additional variants or flavors, just repeat the process. And that's how you can quickly create product variants using Sourceful.